Hi, my name is Neil Bolger, A2 Efficiency, and we're diving into the next piece, which is looking at the updates to Part 11 embodied carbon requirements that are now in Title 24. This is not the energy code, it's actually the California Green Code, though we often think about it in that same bucket, right? Efficiency and operational carbon, and now embodied carbon. So this is California's the first state in the US to mandate embodied carbon requirements in a building code. This now is required for all new construction and major alterations above 50,000 square feet, where buildings have to demonstrate that they're able to reduce their embodied carbon by more than 10% compared to a baseline design. And what counts when you do this assessment is the primary and secondary structural members. So this is the foundation, the columns, the beams, the walls, roof and floor structures. It's the building enclosure, the glazing, the insulation, exterior finishes. So the main things, right, when you think about a building skin, interiors, mechanical, electrical, plumbing systems, other systems, generally you're not including these, though certainly a designer could choose to do that and then compare them with a baseline. When you apply, you can pick one of three pathways, right? There's a building reuse pathway. There's a performance pathway where you do whole building life cycle assessment, where you're conducting a 60-year cradle to grave life cycle assessment of embodied carbon, or prescriptively, where you're looking at the materials and the industry averages for global warming potential and making sure you're below those different material allowances. There's more detail in the standard of obviously, but just overall, big change here in California and something we're excited to see.